How to make a magic wand. Hey there. Are you ready to learn how to make a magic wand? All you need are some basic craft supplies that you likely have lying around the house. Let's get started. First, take your dowel rod or stick and wrap it in aluminum foil. Make sure to smooth out any wrinkles in the foil as much as possible. The smoother the better. Then take the ends of the foil and fold them over so that they are secure and will not unravel. You may need to use a little bit of tape to hold the foil in place. Once you've done this, take your hot glue gun and trace down the center of the stick. Let it dry for a few seconds and then carefully peel off the aluminum foil. Be careful when you do this because the foil will be hot. Set the foil to the side to cool down and let the glue dry completely. Next, take your glass gems and start gluing them along the center line that you made with the hot glue. Make sure to press them down firmly and glue them all the way to the end of the stick. If you want, you can even add a gem at the very end. Let the glue dry while you work on the handle of your magic wand. You can decorate your magic wand however you like. You can paint it, glitter it, or in my case, I'm going to use a Sharpie to draw designs on the handle. If you're using paint, let it dry completely before moving on to the next step. Next, take your ribbon and tie it in a secure bow around the handle of your magic wand. Make sure to pull it tight so that it will not slip. If you'd like, you can hot glue the ends of the ribbon to the handle to make sure it stays in place. And take the two halves of the magic wand and gently pull them apart, being careful not to pull too aggressively and break the gems. Slowly and carefully, one at a time, remove the gems from the center line of the wand. You should have 14 gems total. Now it's time to assemble the gems onto your magic wand. Start by placing the first gem onto the tip of the wand and push it down firmly to make sure it sticks. Take the second gem and place it in the center of the first two sections of the wand. Again, push it down firmly to make sure it sticks. Continue on in a pattern that looks like this, alternating the placement of the gems on the tip of the wand and in between the two sections of the wand. Once you've placed all 14 gems, your magic wand is complete. If you want, you can add additional decorations to your magic wand. I'm going to use a silver Sharpie to add lines throughout the wand to make it look a little more magical. Let the marker dry and then give your magic wand a final once-over to make sure all of the glue is dry and all of the decorations are secure. Now your magic wand is ready to be used. I love how my magic wand turned out. It's so sparkly and pretty. I bet you'll have lots of fun pretending to be a fairy godmother with this magical accessory. Make sure to show off your magic wand in the comments. What do you think about this craft? Leave me a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun kids crafts. Thanks for watching.